And I'm not gonna lie either, we couldn't really see if he was playing the piano, bro. Cause if he was playing the piano, I feel like that changes a lot.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. This is JCJ Reacts. I'm Chris.
Javier. And I'm Joel.
And we're bringing you today another video. It's Freddie Mercury drunk singing Bohemian Rhapsody. Now I'm gonna just put my thoughts out there.
Right.
I think it's gonna be fire no matter what.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Even if he's drunk?
Even if he's drunk.
Probably. I mean, yeah, let's see.
Pretty sure he was drunk at some concert singing anyways. Let's see what happens.
Sounds like it's a concert.
Sounds like he's sober. Is he fucking with the lyrics ish? No, right? He does something different, right? He is fucking up the lyrics. Yo, what the fuck? You get mad? You at the concert? That was it?
Pretty much. What'd you think about it?
I mean, he fucked up the lyrics.
He was drunk, but I mean, he was still good.
Yeah, I mean, he was good. Like, I already said that. I already thought he was going to be good. But
right.
I don't think that, I mean...
If I had to rate it, I'd give it a 4 out of 10. Why? Because...
he messed up the lyrics.
So? Because although...
That doesn't make... So what?
Although it was... Like, you could argue that it was good. Right. It was not a 10, and we could all agree with that. Or would you give it a 10? I wouldn't give it a 10, but I wouldn't give it a 4.
I would give it like a 6 or 6.
But
I'll
why?
give it a 6. Cause I mean, he messed the lyrics up. Like, he wasn't the Freddie Mercury that I know.
The thing about... I know
Freddie Mercury when he's singing live. When he's singing live.
Right. Bruh. The thing about judging somebody doing something drunk, you have to set the bar at sober or not.
Nah. What?
Yeah, because it's how good can you do it drunk? Like, if someone says, oh, I'm going to do a backflip drunk, you're going to give them credit because they landed on their knees just because they were drunk?
What?
Yeah. Oh, at least he landed on his knees. Imagine if he wasn't.
What do you think he would have
But he didn't land it. I think he didn't land on his knees, yo, man. He landed on his tippy toes? He landed and he swayed a little.
So what about you, bro?
I give it a 8.
Why would you give him an 8? I didn't know why you gave him an 8. Yeah,
you asked me why I gave him a 4.
And you asked me why I gave him a 6.
The vocals were there.
No, it wasn't.
No, it was not.
It was not Freddie Mercury.
There was really high-pitched notes that weren't supposed to be high-pitched. Yo, you don't know nothing about nothing, bro.
You're just biased, bro. You're just biased. Because you saw one movie.
I didn't see
about Bohemian Rhapsody, and now you're all a Freddie Mercury fan.
I didn't
Come on. Come on, cuz.
Listen to this one, bro.
God, bro.
Listen to this one, bro.
We can't.
I can't with this man. Chris, bro, name me 3 Bohemian Rhapsody songs. I got you. I tricked you, dumbass nigga.
You spit on me.
Bohemian Rhapsody is a song, not a band, stupid fuck. A band? What? You mean an album?
On that note, we're gonna end the video.
Yeah,
I mean, either way, he did, like, he's a performer. He killed that anyways. No matter what, drunk or not, he, like, is good.
He did good, but...
I mean, I would pay to see him like that either way. I don't care.
You don't care in what state you see him. As long as you see him in the flesh.
Yeah.
And I'm not gonna lie either, we couldn't really see if he was playing the piano, bro. Because if he was playing the piano, I feel like that changes a lot.
Maybe, because he had to focus on the piano.
Yeah, he had to focus on the piano too, bro.
Yeah, true. It was a good video. It was some good vocals, so we'll just leave it at that. Thank you guys for watching. This has been another video. It's getting dark outside, so we have to end the video now. Make sure you leave a like, comment down below. Let us know what other songs we should do, what other live concerts we should do. Let us know. We'll pick one of the comments to react to a video and help grow our channel. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 100 subscribers. This is a new channel and we want to make it big. We want to bring everybody for the ride. So subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.